Ta-da! Today, we are making Chè Bà Ba. I feel like this is one of the most underrated chè, aka Vietnamese sweet soup desserts. So this one really grew on me the last couple years. The star of the show for Chè Bà Ba are these humble ingredients that's commonly found in Vietnam. So we have the classic orange sweet potato, the less common purple sweet potato. This one you can find at most Asian markets. For contrast, this is the orange one, and then this is the purple one. And another common rooty, starchy vegetable that's in this dessert is cassava, which it looks like this. It's a little crazy. Fun fact, this is what boba is made out of. So you have to peel these and soak them in water for at least an hour or overnight because they have toxins in them. Dangerous. I like it. So this has been soaking for about like 2 hours now. We have to make the pandan jelly. This is gonna take the longest because it needs to set. You already know we need some fresh pandan. Let's get into it. Chè Bà Ba is one of Vietnam's most iconic sweet soups. If you grew up Vietnamese, you already know that chè was basically our version of dessert. Let's start with the name. Chè is the general word for sweet soup or pudding, and Bà Ba, well, the origin's a little mysterious. Some say it was named after a southern woman who made it famous, others say it's just a nickname. Either way, this dessert comes straight out of southern Vietnam, where coconuts, cassava, and tropical produce are everywhere. Which explains why this dish is rich, creamy, and a little extra indulgent compared to northern chè. Here's how it works. First, you make your pandan jelly with agar, let it set, and then cut it into cubes. Then steam your sweet potatoes and cassava until it's just tender. Here's a quick tip to save time. I like steaming the sweet potatoes together because they cook at the same rate. Then afterwards, I would recommend steaming the cassava separate because it steams a little bit longer than the other two. Once that's done, you want to set it aside and you have all your rooty vegetables ready to go. Next, we want to steam the sago pearls. This is basically mini tapioca pearls, aka boba. Once it's done boiling for a few minutes, put a lid on it for it to finish cooking. All this comes together in a sweet coconut broth that's lightly thickened with tapioca starch. So you want to simmer all the ingredients together for the coconut broth and let it cool down slightly before adding everything else. The best part about Chè Bà Ba is that it's flexible. You can serve it hot for cozy vibes or chilled over ice when it's too hot out. Some families even throw in bananas, corn, or mung beans. For me, chè like this is comfort food. Hot or cold, it's one of those desserts that always hits the spot. It's proof that Vietnamese cooking is all about balance, humble ingredients, creative techniques, and flavors that just work. So whether you grew up with chè or you're trying it for the first time, Chè Bà Ba is a solid start.